Do you have a favorite number that you like to play at the tables? Do you ever just want to go crazy on it? Well, look no further. I got you. Shooter Bones here, aka the Midnight Ace. And this video is the Crazy Eights strategy. Okay? Crazy Eights bet, Crazy Eights strategy, Crazy Eights. That's what we're doing. We're trying to get that 8. And we're just going to get right into it. So we're going to play 25 on that pass line. And we're going to do $105 on that 8. You know what? Let's do this. We're going to lay the 8 for 105. And we're going to pay that vig, that $5 vig to play it. So now we're going to wait for our number to hit. Hopefully it's a 7. So if it's a 7, you know, we'll collect $126 from this and we'll collect money from that. Now, once our number is established, you know, let's say a 9, we're going to bring this down. And, you know, you can play other numbers that you want, but we're really trying to hit that 8. And as you can see, I have my hot bet 8 here for the hard ways, so we can just try and make more and more money. Okay? So let's just get right into it. I hope everybody's having a 50 roll day. And also, I'm starting off with a $500 bankroll. So we're going to either be in and out fast, or we're just going to keep collecting money. Forward. Little Joe, the old 1-3. And we pull this down. $10. 6, 4, 10. Let's do 30 on that 6. Is that okay? $30 on the 6. Forward, winner. Okay, so now we're going to move this back up. Let's move this up as well. And then, you know what? Let's leave that there. Or not. Tension. So now 10 again. So we're gonna move that 8 down. Let's get some work on that 9 and that 5. Play the inside. Tension. Winner. 6, 4, 10. Winner. All right, so we're gonna move this 8 up. And everything else is off. $7, nice. Good call. And we win on this one. Sorry, all tall smallers. Let's do the aces. Let's do the aces. Do it again. Midnight. Oh, we missed that. You know, normally I play my midnight ace, but I only had 1. So we're gonna go back on there. Let's do it. 7. Ooh. And we win there. Let's do our midnight ace. For a midnight ace. Again, these are off except for the 8. Midnight.
Big money, big prizes.
Nice. That's going to be 150. There we go. Got that midnight going. Do it again. Where you at, 7? Ah, 8. Ooh. That hurt. All right, here we go. Sixers. 35. Let's put a hard 6 in that hard 8. And we hop in that hard 8 too. Whew, almost. That's gonna be, here we go. All right, let's Midnight Ace. Midnight Ace, baby. Let me get that 6 going. There we go. Midnight. Oh, hard. Ah, I got the hard 8. Winner 8. And we won there. Ah, man. I'm mad about that one. I cut your winnings. Cut your winnings. Alright. Do it again. 105. No, we'll do that again. Let me get some change. I'm good with just doing it. Alright. Let's play y'all the hard ways. Why not? Why not? There we go. 8. Ah, oh my goodness. On that 8 again. Whew. Keeps landing on the 8 when I don't want it to. 4. 1, 3, 4. Midnight. Ooh. Yeah, they're laughing at me now. They're laughing at me. It's all right. We're gonna get them. Fever. That's the 5. Go. Oh, what am I doing? Oh yeah, there we go. All right. And 7 out. They're beating us up. We're gonna do it one more time. It's like crazy 8s. It's a crazy 8 strategy. And we're up. So, what do you say we do 150? Let's say 150. 2 days at 210. All right, you know what? We'll do 210. Let's do it. 210. Need some change. All right, so there we go. 210. Making me nervous. We're gonna do 50 on the pass line. All right. All go. Oh, let's get some fresh dice in here. If I roll an 8, man. Whew. All right, 7, baby. Fever. I'm gonna push that down. All right. No, we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna leave it there. And oh, let's just do it. Let's give it there. That 8. Hard 6. Wow. So y'all just beat me up now on this one. I'm gonna do 90 on the 6. Eight. Woo! That's 210. That's gonna be 240 if I'm not mistaken. 245. So 210 on this is only 245. I'm gonna take 250 and give them the $5 change. And I'm gonna take this down. Yeah, I'm taking that down. And let's just do 35 across. Well, not 35 across, but put 35 on every time. Here we go. Oh man, that made me nervous. Sixers. Be 35. Get my money. Here we go. 6 the hard way again. 35. And that's going to be 50. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, 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 please. Like and subscribe. Six again. Where we at? Where we at? You know what? Let's take this down. Crazy, but we also want to see how much money we can keep, you know? Eight. Go, come on, let's do this midnight ace. Midnight ace. There we go. I feel it. I'm feeling it. 8. Got the 8 again. Come on, do the midnight ace. Oh, not that. Midnight ace, baby. 4, the hard way. There we go. It's gonna be 40, so what I'm gonna do is go 1, 2, 3, 4. Get some change in here. Alright, so 40, I'll just give them 2 5s and I'm gonna take 50. Alright. Come on, little tutu, little ballerina, baby. Little Joe, 4 again. me take this 4 down. Come on, don't try and sneak up in there. I see you. I see you. And 7, 8. Okay. Let's count up our monies. It's 6. 2, 3, 4. Oh man, we made out like bands right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 60, 70. So $1,070. Not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, we went crazy on it and got that money. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care of the waitresses. Look out for yourselves. Tip the dealers. And above all, have a 50 roll day.